Okay, today we are going to discuss the very important concept managing softwares. In this lecture, I will tell you how to installing, uninstalling, upgrading softwares. So already you know that in Windows environment, how to installing, uninstalling, updating softwares. The same way in Red Hat Linux, how to installing softwares, how to uninstalling the softwares, and how to upgrading the what softwares. Simply it's querying the what packages. Okay, let me start. Software management tools. A software management system is a collection of software tools that automates the process of installing, upgrading, configuring, and removing computer programs. I will show you how to installing, upgrading, uninstalling, or removing softwares. So each distribution of Linux operating system has one package management system. Like Red Hat Linux maintain two different tools for installing any softwares. One is RPM and the second one is YUM. So generally RPM and YUM both are the same tools. For installing or uninstalling or upgrading software packages. So let me show you some examples with RPM. But in the real environment, almost 99% people to use YUM only. But first I will explain what is RPM, then what are the drawbacks in the RPM. Then I will show you what are the advantages with YUM. Okay, RPM full form is Red Hat Package Management System. Red Hat Package Management System. So what is Red Hat Package Management? So again, with help of RPM, we can install, uninstall, upgrading softwares. So by default, guys, you know that how to downloading the softwares from the web environment. But in that case, almost the Linux related softwares are available in your image file. In your image file. We have downloaded RHL 9.4 image. So my image is available in my ISO images RHL 9.4, which is called what? DVD image file. So this image size is approximately 10 GB already, you know that. But almost Linux softwares available in the image of RHL 9.4. So first I will connect this image, then how to installing the softwares I will show you. Okay, how to connect the images to your VM. So now just right click on the VM and settings. Click on the CD DVD SATA option and please enable the what both options, connected option and connected to power on option. Then where is your image? We can browse and attach it. So already I have attached my RHL 9.4 image. So like you will attach the what your image. Okay, 9.4 DVD image. Then open. Okay. So now my image is successfully attached to my VM. Okay, how to mount the image? Already I told you. So we cannot read any image data directly. So then how to mount your image? So first, let me create your one directory. Okay, the directory name is RGL9 data, for example. So already RHL9 data image is available. The file is existing. So let me create RHL9 underscore data. Then enter. So even this is also available. Okay, let me do one thing. I will delete the what my existing directory name. Okay, so now mkdir RHL9 data successfully created. Okay, this is the what I will use the one mount point. So then how to mount your image? I will go for directly in the etc fstep file. You know that permanent mount point information. In the fstep file, let me add here in the fstep file. The first one is by default, the ISO image name is /dev/sr0. It is a default name. It is a common name. So you will use the what image name /dev/sr0. Then what is your mount point name? RHL9 underscore data is my mount point name. But you know that the file system name is any image file ISO 9660. Then defaults 0 0. Okay. Now save the file and run the command. After modification, systemctl daemon reload is the option. And finally mount your image RHL9 underscore data point. Okay, so now source write protected, mount read only. So now your image is successfully mounted. So what is your mount point name? RHL9 underscore data. Your image name is by default DEV/SR0. The image size is 11 GB. It is 100% mounted. Then where is the date information? Then go for RHL9 underscore data directory mount point. So now if you verify that, so inside the image, what kind of data is there? AppStream is the folder name, base OS is the folder name, images is the folder name. I mean, this is the data existing inside the what? Your mount point. I mean, inside the what? Your image file. But remember guys, so remember everyone, by default, inside the image, we have two important directories. What are the directories? AppStream is the one directory name. Base OS is the another directory name. I mean, these two directories maintain your software's information. I mean, these two directories holds your complete software's information. I mean, these two are the what repositories. Repositories. I mean, what is mean by here repository? These each repository maintain Linux software. Simple point. The repositories maintain Linux softwares. So base OS directory maintain OS related softwares and AppStream directory maintain application related softwares. So if I go cd space base OS directory. In the base OS directory, B capital OS is the capital. If I go here, I mean within the directory, again, we have a one more subfolder, which is called what? Packages. So in the packages, P is the capital. So go for packages directory. Then we can check it ls. All available softwares are here. I mean, in the base OS maintain some softwares. If I enter, see that each line is a one software. But by default in the Windows, the software extensions are .exe executable files. But in Linux environment, the software's extension, package extension is .rpm. Every software extension is .rpm. That means Red Hat Package Manager. Red Hat Package Manager. Almost softwares are available in this base OS file. I mean, in the base OS file maintain your complete OS related softwares. Even we have another directory. So what is the directory name? I will go for complete path name and RHL9 underscore data. The another one is AppStream. Within the AppStream, again packages folder is there. Again packages folder is there. So this is the what base OS path. This is the what AppStream path. If I go, again you can check it. Within this AppStream for repository, we have multiple packages. So for installing softwares, we will use these two softwares. These two softwares. I mean, I will go again. My current working location is RHL 9 underscore data. Within the data, remember app stream is the one repository, base OS is the another repository. These two repositories maintain your softwares, I mean your Linux softwares. Okay, use these two repositories, then we can install in the what your softwares. Okay, so now I will use the word app stream. I will show you how to installing the softwares by using RPM tool. So just now I told you what is the information. Two software management tools in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. One is RPM, second one is YUM. So now let me explain how to installing softwares through RPM. Okay, so now go to RHL9 underscore data. Here is my current location. The location is RHL9 data. Within the location, I will go app stream location. In the app stream location, again, packages folder is there. In the packages folder, if you check LS, so multiple softwares are available. I mean, how many softwares are available if you check LS, piping WC, I want number of lines because one line is one software. So WC-L. So how many lines are there? I mean, how many packages are there? 5,850 softwares are available. 5,850 softwares are available. Okay. So how to installing softwares? I mean, if you run LS, multiple softwares are there, but you want to verify LS-L. I want to verify Firefox package. So just type the word Firefox, press the tab key to finish the word that particular line. See that in the Firefox, two softwares are available with name Firefox. Firefox 115, Firefox X11. But we will use, for example, 115. So now this is the software. What is the software name? Every software, I mean, includes the first one is name of the software. You know that already. Then this is the word version of the software. And the next, this software supports EL9. That meaning is Enterprise Linux 9. Maybe EL8 is there. The software supports to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. EL7 is there. It was support to Enterprise Linux 7 like. This is EL9. That means it supports Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. And what architecture this is? 64-bit architecture. And then extension of the package .rpm. So any package, if you check it in Linux environment, almost packages are the complete structure is looking like this. Well, name of the package, version of the package, architecture of the package, extension of the package. Okay, how to installing softwares. So now you know that how to list the softwares. So now these softwares are collected from the ISO image. Fine. So what is the syntax to installing any package? So generally the syntaxes are RPM space options, RPM space options space package space package. So generally this is the what syntax to installing any software with RPM with RPM. Okay, so let me apply how to installing softwares with RPM. Okay, first RPM space hyphen I for installing, and V for verbose. I mean installation status displaying on the screen. That is called what verbose. It is an optional. And H, the status displaying with hash symbols. And H also it is optional. And I mandatory. V and H are the what optional. So now I want to install Firefox package. Firefox 115 software. Then if I enter, what happens? See, just this is the command to installing the word softwares. Just please write the word first, your software name, I mean your package name, And what is the tool for installing this package? RPM. And options are the what? IVH. I is the what? Install. VH is the what? Installation status displaying on the screen. Like see that it's verifying the package. And now see that installation status displaying on the what? Hash symbols. It is nothing but VH. But the package Firefox is already installed. The package Firefox is already installed. So guys, you want to reinstalling the software. I want to reinstall the what software. Then people what to do? They will use hyphen force option. Hyphen force. That meaning is you want to reinstalling the package forcefully. That is the option is forcefully. If I enter, so now see this, the package is being to install now. See that the installation status displaying on hashes. That is called what? VH options. But the same package, if I don't write VH option, then again it will run. But the status is not displaying on the screen. See this? The cursor is waiting for the next prompt. Now installation done. This is the process like installing. But if you write VH options, then what is the advantage? The status displaying on the screen. How much is running, how much is spending like that. It displaying the what percentage level. It's scrolling with hashes. That is called what? VH. VH options are optional. Okay, this is the command to installing package and to reinstalling the what packages. Okay, sir, I want to install FTP package, file transfer protocol package. Then FTP. If you press the tab key, so now we are looking for FTP 0.17 edition. This package is available in this packages folder. Now if I run, enter, see this. Now FTP package is being to install, successfully installed. So we didn't get any message already installed. Previously Firefox is already installed. That's why we got the message already installed. But here FTP is just now we have installed. But any package you want to install through RPM space, -IVH space, package name. This is the first requirement. And then the second important thing, what is the option? You want to reinstall any package. See, if I run again the same FTP option, what happened? This package is already installed. That's why we will use, you want to reinstall the package force option. So force option is the what? To reinstalling the what package. This is the one option. And the second important option, if you have any new pending updates, new packages, so already 0.7 is the latest edition. In case 0.18 edition is available, but already I have installed 0.17, but 0.18 is available in my repository. Then how to update my existing package? So people what to do? They will use instead of I, capital U. Instead of I, capital U. But don't run the what force option. This is only for reinstalling. But this is the what? U is the option to updating package. Capital U to update your package. So you want to update any existing package, then capital U is the option. If I run it, but already the same package is installed, there is no new update. That's why already installed. Any new package is there, it will update your what? Your existing package. So this is the option to update your package, capital U. And the next important thing, how to uninstalling a package. How to uninstalling a package. How to uninstalling a package? So the very good option, RPM -I means install, capital U means upgrade, and E means uninstall, or it is called erase. Uninstall or erase. Then VH are common, but which package you want to uninstall? So let me do For example, in the activities, already Firefox is installed, right? Here is the what Firefox is showing. If I open the Firefox, okay, now Firefox is running. Now I want to uninstall this Firefox. Generally, Windows people what to do? Go to add remove programs. I mean in the settings, add remove programs, select the Firefox and say choose the option uninstall. But here, just write the word package name only. Just write the word package name. Don't write version of the package, architecture of the package and everything. Just write the word name of the package. So now we are looking for uninstalling software. Then if I enter, see this, now preparing to uninstall. So it is clean up, removing successfully. Now in the activities, observe, is there any package folder? Is there any Firefox? No, because Firefox has been uninstalled. Firefox has been erased. So then again, you want a Firefox, then what to do? So I want to install the Firefox instead of IVH Firefox -115 software I want to install it. If I enter, now Firefox is being to install again. This is called what? Installing and uninstalling, upgrading Linux softwares. But the very important option in the real time, while erasing packages, if you run directly EVH space any package name, in case sometimes one package supports to another one. One package depending on another one. For example, the Linux operating system, some softwares depending on Python package. So, for example, .NET software depending on like Visual Studio. So, if you are trying to uninstall a package, along with a, what are the supported dependencies? Everything will be uninstalled. What I'm saying here, actually, I'm looking for uninstalling a package, but A is completely depending on B, C, D also. But these B, C, D are the what dependencies? I mean supported packages for this A. But if you uninstall A, but along with A, B, C, D also it will erase it. But sometimes you will get some conflicts. You will get some errors also. So that's why in the real environment, people what to do, they will use hyphen no depths option. They will use no depths. What is meant by no depths? No dependencies. No dependencies. No dependencies means it will erase Firefox only, but not any supported packages, supported dependencies. So that is called what? No depths means no dependencies. I want to install Firefox, but not any dependent packages. So it is very good option for uninstalling any software. But for installing software, IVH is the very good option. So this is the proper way to installing, upgrading, uninstalling softwares. Okay. Then the another important point. I mean, sir, how to querying the softwares? How to querying the softwares? Querying is nothing but verifying. Sir, you said installing, uninstalling, upgrading is very clear. But before erasing or before installing, I want to know whether the package is installed or not. How do I know the given package is installed or not? So that's why querying is the very good option in RPM tool. So generally, you want to know what are the packages we have installed in your Linux. RPM space -QA is the good option to list what are the installed softwares in your computer. I mean, right now, what are the softwares installed in your computer? Just RPM space hyphen QA is the option. If I run this command, see that these are all are the what installed softwares right now in your Linux. See that recently we have installed FTP. Recently we have installed Firefox. So for example, RPM-EVH, I want to erase FTP. So FTP has been terminated. I mean uninstalled. If I run again RPM-QA, so we don't have any FTP. See that the recent installed package Firefox only is there. So you want to install again RPM-IVH. I want to install Firefox. Then how do you know that what packages are installed? RPM-QA. See that a Firefox is there, FTP also is there. This is the confirmation. But sir, how do I know the Java package has been installed or not? So if you run RPM-QA, it lists all. No, I don't want all. By using grep-I to search the word from the install list, Java only. Then if I enter, say this, it's verifying from the list. There is no Java package installed. Even one more option, for example, RPM-QA, I want to know that grep-I Firefox is installed or not. Just this is the one best way to verify the given package is installed or not. This is the one method to search from the list the particular package is installed or not. Or some people want to do RPM-Q only, then just write the word package name. See that Firefox is installed. But instead of Firefox, if you run Java, Java package is not installed. This is also another method to searching the given package is installed or not. Or some people will do RPM query also. RPM query, I want to know that Firefox is installed or not. Yes, Firefox, this version has been installed. I want to know that Java has been installed or not. So package Java is not installed. So these are all of the proper options. I mean, the given package is installed or not, just for query. Okay. So I want to know that RPM query, FTP is installed or not. See that FTP package has been installed. But now the next requirement is, I want to know what time this package has been installed and what is the URL of this package. And I want to get complete information about the installed package, FTP or Firefox. So that's why in the RPM-QI, I means information, QI space, the package name. What is the package name? I want to know that Firefox details. If I run, see that the name of the package Firefox. The Firefox version we have installed 115. The architecture of the package we have installed 64-bit. Install date is Tuesday, 20 August. So these are all of the what? Packages. But this software build time is Friday, 22 March 2024. Okay. So you want to download this Firefox software. This is the what URL. Okay. What is the description of this Firefox? Mozilla Firefox is an open source web browser designed for standards, compliance, performance, and portability. Same way, you want to know FTP package details. So now here is the word FTP package details. So what time your package has been installed? Like information, I for information. Next, RPM-QC. C means configuration files. I mean, I told you multiple configuration files. You want to change user settings /etc login.deps file is there. And same way, every application maintain one configuration file. You don't know exactly that particular application configuration file. Okay, I want to know FTP server configuration files. If I run QC, see that this is the what FTP, there is no configuration files. If I run Firefox, any configuration file is there? No configuration files. Okay, let me install the another package. rpm-ivh, the package name is vsftpd. I mean, this is the FTP. It is a client package. That's why there is no configuration files. But VSFTPD, it is a server package. Very secure file transfer protocol daemon. If I enter, so VSFTPD successfully installed. Now I want to know rpm-qc VSFTPD. Then enter. See that the FTPD server configuration file is /etc vsftpd vsftpd.conf. This is the what configuration file for this FTP server. I mean, you don't know what is the location of this server configuration. Then we can apply QC, then server name, package name. Then what happened? It lists out all related FTP server configuration file. Then we can find the what path of your configuration. But what is the meaning of the configuration file? I will tell you in the networking lectures, like while explaining FTP server, Samba server, DNS server. That time I will explain what is the meaning of the configuration files. Next, what exactly mean by D? D means documentation files. I mean, you want to get man space vs FTPD. You know that. So very secure FTP daemon. It is the very secure file transfer protocol daemon. The server can be launched via super server. So like we have like it multiple information. Okay. So this is the word etc vsftpd.conf file. And you want to get more information. Even this is the what information to quit queue. But what I'm saying, what are the documentation file for this server? I mean, these are the what documentation files. I mean, once FTP package is installed, what files are created in your computer? I mean, even instead of D, we will use L also. List files what are extracted in your computer after installing VSFTPD. Okay, once package installation is nothing but what? Some files are extracted in different locations. That is the meaning of installation process. So now if I run QL, see that automatically after installing this VSFTPD, where FTP location is created, where FTP pub location is created, and even the all documentations are available in the USR share doc VSFTPD FAQ, VSFTPD install, VSFTPD readme file. So multiple files are extracted in your computer. Okay, these are all of the what? Documentation files for this server. QL, QC, QD. But in the RPM, the very important option, guys. I mean, this is a very good command for troubleshooting. For example, RPM space, okay, -ivh. I want to install tree command. For example, I want to install tree command. But tree command is already installed because if you run tree space slash, it is a tree structure like you know that already. But if the tree command not found, then what to do? You know already. Yum install, then command name is tree. Yum install command name is tree or rpm-ivh tree. But how do you know that? The tree command package name. I mean, which is space, the package name is tree. If I run this command, so the tree command is available in my computer /usr/bin/tree is the location. But rpm-qf, if you run usr bin tree command, then what is the backend package name? Tree command. This is the what tree command package name. If you uninstall this tree command package, then tree command is not working. Same way, for example, right now user add command is working. Sir, I want to uninstall user add command. I don't want to work on user add command because I don't want to provide user add command in this computer. Then what to do? Every command backend includes one particular package. So how to find that particular package in it? So that is my point. So which is space? First find the what your location of the command. User add, then rpm-qf, then /usr sbin. It is called what? User add. So this user add command package name is shadow utils. I mean, if you uninstall this package, then user add command is not working. Okay. So for example, sir, Python is perfectly running. If you uninstall the Python package, then Python is not working. Same way, in Linux environment, already multiple commands are installed in your commands, in your computers. In case you want to uninstall any command, that particular command belonging to one software. So how to find a software name? This is the process rpm-qf space package name. For example, uh, generally, if config is the command, you know that already. What is the mean by if config? It will find your what? IP address. Okay, right now this system IP address is 192.168.10.10. Sir, I want to uninstall if config command. But uninstall if config command means you know that rpm-ivh, rpm-evh, then if config is the command. Because I want to uninstall if config command. If I run this, so package if config is not found. Because this is the command name only. But backend this command belonging to one particular package. So you will uninstall that particular package. How do you know that the package name? That is my point. So we can run rpm hyphen qf space. Already I know that usr as bin or bin location if config is there. I mean in the usr as bin location if config is there. If I run, see this net tools is the package name. Okay, let me do rpm hyphen I evh net hyphen tools. So if I run this command, see that the package successfully erased net tools. So this net tools meaning is the what? It is related to if config command package. If I run now if config, it's not working, guys. Because this command related software has been uninstalled. So that's why every package backend running one every command backend running one particular package rpm-ivs net-tools. Maybe this package is available in the not current location of rhl9 appstream. Maybe this package is available in the rhl9 data base os repository because we have two repositories, right? So rpm ivh net-tools package. Yes, here is the one package available because some packages are available in the base OS repository, some packages are available in the AppStream repository. Maybe package is not available in the base OS, go for AppStream. Now this package is available in base OS. If I run, now package successfully installed. So once NetTools package is installed, now if config is working. This is the method. So you want to uninstall any particular command, then please uninstall first that backend particular software. How to find the package name? We can use rpm-qf. So this is called what? Querying packages in the environment. Okay, when the packages are available in your DVD or in your system, then how to install it is very clear. Okay, for example, let me erase the package rpm-ivh. My package name is vsftpd. So VSFTPD package is uninstalled. RPM-Q. Okay, VSFTPD package is not available, not installed. But what I'm saying here, for example, this packages, all packages are not available in your two repositories. Mostly these two repositories are maintained open source packages, but some packages definitely we need to download the what internet. From the internet we can install it. Sir, how to download softwares from the internet in the Linux? But in the GUI level, it is very clear. Already you know that open Firefox and run the packages. Okay. For example, so I'm looking for VSFTPD package. So generally, mostly the softwares are available. Google means go to Google website. Firefox means Firefox websites, like we will go for it. But Linux related websites are separate. I mean, I'm looking for VSFTPD RPM. For Red Hat 8, Red Hat 9. Okay, I'm looking for RHL 9 soft. Okay, here is the web browser is no. So I will go for my Windows operating system. Here is the Chrome. VSFTPD RPM download for RHL. Okay, here is the what RPM find and PKGS org. Okay, different Red Hat portal, different portals are there. Okay, now I want to download RPM find from the website. Okay, so now in that case, say this VSFTPD is there, but based on your architecture, I mean, this is EL5 or EL9. See this VSFTPD 3.0 EL9 Enterprise Linux line 64-bit RPM package is good. Or VSFTPD EL8 also is there and EL7 also is there, like different editions. Okay, if I click on the software, by default, it was in my Windows. But how to download directly in your Linux environment? So that's what in the command line downloader tool is there. It is very good tool. So the tool name is wget, guys. What is mean by wget? Wget is a command line tool. I mean, you want to download any files or any softwares from the web, wget is very good command. You want to know that what is wget? See this. It is a free utility for non-interactive download of files from the web. So you want to download any files from the web, wget is the good command. It is a non-interactive network downloader. So how to download the softwares? So wget is the command. I mean, where to download the softwares? First, we can check the location. Okay, in the root location, multiple softwares are there. Or okay, here I want to download wget space. Which software you want to download? Just right click on the software, copy link address and paste here. Wget space link address. If I enter, now software is being to download now. So now software is ready. See that VSFTPD package successfully downloaded. Now you know that how to install it. RPM space, hyphen IVH space, the package name is VSFTPD. So now it's being to install the what software. So now VSFTPD 3.0 successfully installed. This is the way to downloading and installing the what softwares. So in case the softwares are not available in your image file, so from the web, this is the great way to download it. And sir, I don't want any download softwares. I want to install directly from the web. Then what to do? You will use RPM space hyphen IVH. Then paste your URL. So now previously wget means it will download. But now my major command is the what? RPM hyphen IVH. That meaning is, okay, it will install the what package. Which package? This is the package name. But where is this package? From this URL, it will collect and install it. Then it's being to install now, but already installed. But you want to reinstall the package? Again, you know that force option. So this is the way to installing the softwares from the web or any remote locations. Or you want to download and install, then you can use the what wget command. Guys, these are the what excellent in the environment. Downloading, upgrading, installing, yeah, especially how to querying the packages and everything. So don't forget it. So people will share the what some repositories. So now from that repositories, they are saying like, please install the what one particular package. First find the what repository name, then apply the what commands. Then maybe RPM or maybe YUM. But how to connect the repositories and everything, I will tell you in the what tomorrow lecture. That is called what YUM or DNF. Okay, today is the only RPM. But in the RPM, we have a one drawback. What is the drawback? Okay, for example, CD space, I will go for my image repository. I mean my repository location, app stream, packages. But within the packages, we have multiple softwares are there. But now I'm looking for installing HTTPD package. Actually, I want to install HTTPD 2.4. HTTPD 2.4, Hypertext Transfer Protocol daemon. This is the web server actually. But if I enter, see this, failed dependencies. What is the drawback here? RPM, I mean, you want to install HTTPD 2.4 edition. Actually, this edition is depending on these two dependencies. I mean, these two supported softwares. So what to do first? We need to install HTTPD core package. Then we can install system-logs-HTTPD package. If you install these two, then only HTTPD will be installed. Then only HTTPD will be installed. So what is this problem? This is the word dependency issues. The problem is the word dependency issues. But how to resolve this dependency issues? So that's why we will use YUM or DNF. Yellow dog update modifier or dandrified unified model. Okay, this is the second tool. That's why nowadays everyone uses YUM or DNF only. But what is the M and what is the DNF? I will explain in the tomorrow lecture. But RPM only one small issue, dependency issues. I mean, for example, if you're trying to install HTTPD core, okay, actually I'm looking for, just assume A package installation. Just assume A is the one software. But A is asking maybe B. If you are installing B, maybe B asking C. If you are installing to C, then C may be asking D. Then it will form like a chain. It is formed like chain format. Then person what to do first? It will install first D, then install C, then install B, then only you can install A. But sir, how to install A package along with B, C, D all supported. That's why dependency resolution. Dependency resolver is YUM or DNF. The DNF drawback, RPM drawback is the what? Dependency issues. So, but sometimes it will install directly, but sometimes it is asking multiple dependencies. But how to resolve the dependencies? So I will tell you in the tomorrow lecture. So this is called what? RPM concept. So don't forget, we have two important tools for installing any softwares in the Linux environment, RPM and YUM. So RPM is the first tool and YUM is the second tool. But first initial tool in the Linux RPM only, but second tool name is YUM after Red Hat version 4. Okay, 4 onwards YUM is there, but before RPM only. So tomorrow I will explain YUM. Thank you.
So, I have a question or a request. I want to
Uh,
install VM. Can you please share me your Google Drive download links folder?
which one? Why?
VM, the virtual
Okay,
machine.
okay, okay. So again, I need to find out the what my drive. Okay, okay, no
Oh,
issue. I will stop the what my screen share and then I will find it in chat box. I will share with you.
thank you, sir.
So I also joined late, so I will need it too. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, in the portal, advanced filter commands PDF is missing. Can you please check?
Okay, I will verify and update it.
Yeah,
Okay, actually, I have updated, but I will check it again. No worries.
yeah, please.
Advanced filters, right?
Yes, correct. I can see basic filter commands PDF, but
Okay,
advanced filter commands are missing.
okay, okay. Yeah, the link has been shared in the chat box. Please find out.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Right, guys. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Sir, can you please check the message in the chat box once?
Okay, okay, wait. Hmm. Welcome to Red Hat Enterprise Line. We have installed software, right?
Yeah, I mean, before I did, I'm just using the same way how you're using, but from 2 days, I'm getting this page and asking for
Yeah, yeah.
credentials. And
Just to start the what startup setup. That is the what no issues actually. Just start
no,
the what.
it's asking for some credentials and all. I mean, I'm
Uh,
not able to do it. Once I click on startup, it's asking again some other things also.
Other things means
Like credentials, it is asking.
which no. Credentials means you are selected the word like domain level, I think. But we don't have any option to skip, right?
We don't have it.
Okay. Mm,
It's asking to provide complete setup. Use enterprise login.
you have followed the what same process, right?
Yeah, I followed the same process and I used it from since 1 day. But
Since one day it's asking, huh?
no, now it is asking me from 2 days. It is asking me this.
Okay, and what to do? Just to
Hmm.
start the what setup first.
Okay.
and step by step and take the what screenshots.
Okay.
Okay. And then you will tell me tomorrow. I mean, it is called what share the what screenshot one by one. Then I will
Yeah.
tell you where is the
At,
mistake.
at the last page, it is asking me to provide the username and the full name and complete the enterprise login.
Username and full name. That is called what? Simply username and full name means it is asking normal username. And please be provide your user details. And otherwise, please provide the what that particular screenshot.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, I'm just providing, you know. One second.